In this video I'm going to show you how to add someone on Snapchat without saying edit by search. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Snapchat application and there hit add search icon. Now there you can type in some person's name, you can hit add view more to get the list of all the persons, and let's say I want to add that specific person, and here if I will tap there at add button, it will say that I'm added that person by search. To avoid that, all you have to do is just hit add that person's profile name, and here first you may hit on add friend. Here if you hit on that button it will say added by username, and the second way is to copy that username just underneath the person's name. You can copy it and send it via message from your another Snapchat account, and if you tap on that name in the conversation and add that person, it will say added by mention. In these couple of different ways you can add someone on Snapchat without saying edit by search. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.